Hello, bhai. Today topic relative strength. Share market पर long term investment is best to we earn because trader lose money. 90% trader they lose their money in stock market. So investing is a village business. So long term, always think long term. So today topic relative strength. So basically relative strength and RSI, relative strength index, they are two different things. Relative strength basically benchmark market इंडेक्स के कंपेयर पर स्टॉक का परफॉर्मेंस बताता है, लेकिन आरएसआई ओवरबॉट और ओवरसोल्ड स्टॉक का बताता है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ. रिलेटिव strength. Relative strength. In stock market, there are lot of stock, around 50,000 plus stock. So every stock, आप किस स्टॉक पर पैसा लगाएंगे वो रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ बहुत हेल्प करेगा. सो हायर रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ इज आउट परफॉर्मिंग एंड लोअर रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ दैट्स मीन अंडर परफॉर्मेंस. सो रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ, सपोज आप किसी स्टॉक पर इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता हो. सो आप सपोज किसी पर इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, आप घोड़ा हॉर्स पर और गधा डाल पर इन्वेस्ट करना चाहता हो. सो बेसिकली हॉर्स पर क्योंकि मोमेंटम बहुत ज़्यादा है, सो यहाँ पर पैसा रिटर्न ज़्यादा देगा. सो इसीलिए मार्केट पर जो स्टॉक आउट परफॉर्मिंग कर रहा है उसको बताता है रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ. So basically is a compare tool between benchmark or index and stock. So किसी रेस पर हॉर्स एंड डाल, आप टर्टल टर्टल सो आप हॉर्स पर ही पैसे लगाएंगे क्योंकि आपको रिटर्न ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ बताता है. नेक्स्ट, so relative strength compare between benchmark or index. Benchmark or index such as index example bank nifty, nifty 50, nifty 50 for nifty auto, nifty pharma, nifty IT. So basically benchmark. So comparison कर रहे हैं between stock and benchmark. So what is in definition, what is relative strength? So what is relative strength? What is relative strength? Basically, how well a stock is performing compared to the overall market or benchmark or stock. So relative strength, higher is better. So in definition, relative strength is performing compared to overall market or benchmark or stock. Next, A high relative strength is outperforming. High is high relative strength is outperforming. High relative strength, that means outperforming. Low relative strength, that means underperforming. So higher, basically as an example, this is line 0. So above 0 is bullish. Above 0 is bullish. Below 0 is bearish. So above 0 the stock is bullish, and below 0 that means the stock is bearish. So higher is better relative strength. So how to calculate relative strength? So how to calculate RH is a simple formula. RH relative strength is equal to stock price, current stock price divided by benchmark or index. Benchmark or index. Suppose stock price 200 rupees and benchmark or index 20,000 is equal to 0.01. So above 0 the stock is bullish. Next, relative strength and technical indicator RSI, relative strength index. So relative strength index RSI. RSI is a momentum indicator. It tells about the stock is overbought or oversold. So it tells about overbought. So RSI above 70, it means oversold. RSI above 70, that means overbought, and RSI below 30 is oversold. So relative strength index tells about the stock is overbought or oversold. Next, how to use relative strength? So how to use RH? How to use RH? Number 1, stock identify. Stock selection. Number 2, identify market leader. Identify market leader. Next, avoid weak stock. Avoid weak stock. Next, avoid weak stock. So जब आप रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ यूज करेंगे तब कॉम्बिनेशन बेस्ट वे आर एस के साथ EMA 21 2000